Hello, everyone. Welcome to King English class.
Today, we will play the game of guessing the names of insects with questions and real pictures. Let's get started. I have long legs and I suck blood. Who am I? I am a mosquito. I fly at night and love the light. Who am I? I am a moth. I roll dung into balls and push them around. Who am I? I am a dung beetle. I jump high. I sing in the grass. What am I? I am a grasshopper. I look like a leaf and hide in plants. Who am I? I am a leaf insect. I crawl on food and make it dirty. Who am I? I am a fly. I have red wings with black spots. Who am I? I am a ladybug. I glow at night like a little light. Who am I? I am a firefly. I walk slowly and carry my home on my back. Who am I? I am a snail. I have colorful wings. I fly in the garden. What am I? I am a butterfly. I have big claws and I eat other insects. Who am I? I am a praying mantis. I have big eyes and fly very fast. Who am I? I am a dragonfly. I look like a stick and hide in trees. Who am I? I am a stick insect. I make honey. I live in a hive. Who am I? I am a bee. I am fast. I live in dark places. People don't like me. Who am I? I am a cockroach. I spin a web to catch bugs. Who am I? I am a spider. I crawl on the ground and have many legs. Who am I? am a centipede. I carry food and live in the ground. Who am I? I am an ant. I bite wood and live in big groups. Who am I? I am a termite. I am tiny. I can jump very high. I bite pets. Who am I? I am a flea.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.